Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default browser on your MacBook computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by selecting the System Preferences button down our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the General button. And then where it says default web browser, click inside this drop down. And then at this point, if you have multiple web browsers installed, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want to mark as default. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. That's all you have to do. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.